Hi, I'm gonna show you how to take a video from WhatsApp status without asking that person. So I saw this video and I wanted to share this in my status. So instead of asking that person, we can just directly go to File Manager. Just open File Manager, all files. Go to Android, Media, WhatsApp and Media. Over here you should be able to see a file called .statuses. If you are not able to see it, go to Menu, Settings, and make sure that Show Hidden Files is switched on. So if it is off, you can't see the dot files. Settings and then turn it on. Now you can see the .status file. Now you just have to match the thumbnail. So this is the video which doesn't have a thumbnail, so I'll just check. So that is the video. So I'll just choose this, share,